First to go to the file and choose open. Select this white paper image, press open. Now take the rectangle tool. Select the shape option. Now draw the rectangle like this. Now right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Hold the control button and adjust this shape in this manner. Press enter. Double click on this layer's thumbnail. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this guard image. Click place. Hold the alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Now go to the file and choose save. Then go to the main window. Open blend modes and choose linear burn. Now right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust this underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.